Okay, so I broke my iPhone digitizer touchscreen. You guys saw that in an earlier video, and y'all saw me take it apart. So I have the replacement part now, the new digitizer and glass screen, the tools, which I don't need because I already took everything apart, and the adhesive tape. So basically right now I'm going to go ahead and put this new digitizer glass on the bezel, and then put everything back together, and hopefully everything works. But before I do that, I'm going to put the adhesive on the bezel. Okay, so as you can see, I put on the double-sided sticky tape here and here, and I'm just going to pull off the protective film on the side, each side of this, top and bottom, and then adhere it to the bezel. Okay, so I'm removing the tape now, hopefully. So I got the protective tape off for the double-sided, and I'm removing this off here, and then removing the top part off here. Okay, so I am putting it inside the bezel now. And I'm just checking to see if the alignment of the bezel looks good, and so far it looks pretty good. Well, as good as it can look. I have that in here. So I'm going to remove this protective film on the back of this, so that way I can slide in the LCD. Remove that back part, and I'm going to slide in the LCD. Okay, so I've gotten everything lined up now, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the screws. Okay, so as you can see, I put everything back together as far as the screen. All the screws are back in, the LCD screw back in, everything is on. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in the iPhone and reassemble it and power it up and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, I finally got all the little cables back into place here. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it back down in there. And we're going to hope that everything works.
Have you ever switched your foot by apart? Downward running back on the screen, take my down, pull it down.
Okay, so I have it back in, and now I just need to go ahead and screw everything back in. Alright, so there you go. It's back in. Everything is assembled again. Just have the protective film on. Go ahead and put in my SIM card, and then we'll power it up. Okay, well, this sucks. You guys are coming in when my stupid battery went dead. That's why you see it doing a little spinny thing. It just told me my battery was low, so I'm going to have to stop the video and get my charger. Okay. Alright. As you can see, no more cracks. Looks pretty much brand new. And I'm getting a shitload of email. So I tap email, and you can see that it's loading my email. So let's tap right here, and I'm getting even more email. Home key still works. So able to go to my different screens. So that's all she wrote, people.